Ladies and gentlemen, you open up the box and it's not just ornaments. What could be in there? Whoo, it's pirate time. We are here at this storage and we just bought this amazing unit and we are about to open up and show you guys what we got. You want to see this one. Psych, it's the train, you guys. We are here and we are about to move our share of the unit. I couldn't help the guys do it the other day, so they came and they took everything that they felt was their cut and they left me mine. And here we are gonna finish this up. Ladies and gentlemen, it is probably mid-afternoon somewhere. I've already went to the train unit. I unloaded that whole unit, filled this up, brought it here, put it in the unit, and now we're reloading like we do. If you guys remember the other day, we might have did a live. And during that live, we showed these records. And then Tom came by because he wanted to look at the records.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
Yeah, that's your favorite, but it's,
I love this.
financially, that's not the best one.
No,
right?
no, financially, but who cares? Musically, it kicks.
But this record here tops out at like damn near 600 bucks. Only 5 on eBay, ranging from 600 to 850.
What's the bottom say?
That is nuts.
This is OG Bjork.
OG.
Look how little she is in this thing.
Is that her actual? That's actually her?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And it's minty. On the fucking website anymore. This might be considered a bootleg.
And we just got disappointing news, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
After we hyped this record, after we went on the record and hyped the record, what's the verdict?
Oh, you're gonna look at me and do it?
No, I would never do that.
We want Front Street like that.
Front Street.
So
edit what? What are we editing? And auction.
All right, so this is my favorite. This is Mike's favorite, only because he thought this was worth like $1 million. This is still my favorite. It's worth 60 bucks. This one, just moments ago, we found out is a reissue because of that.
Yeah.
It has all the telltales of being original, but in the record business, people, you always want to double check, triple check, and all that good stuff. Anyway, still a great title, still worth about 60 bucks.
Wow. Come on, Uncle Michael, you're an expert nunchucker. You don't have it like you used to. What if you get yourself in the
See, I should go catch him right here under my arm.
Is he gonna hit himself in the head? I don't got a helmet on. All right, it is pirate time, and we are here in my storage now. We are about to go through more boxes like this, and this, and we're gonna see if we can come up with more treasures. We've been finding nothing but amazing trains. We've been finding stuff like this that's gold on eBay. Right here, we got this big pile of lingerie, panties, underwear, etc., bras, brand new with the tags. We got the trains like this. We got bathing suits and spandex from the 80s, brand new and used. We've been finding tons of things, stuff like this. Oop! Without further ado, let's just get going and pick a box right now. We'll probably go through this one. I'm gonna lay it all out, spread it out, then we'll make a little quick clip and then move on to the next. We got all this to go still. All right, so we have gone through that one box, and this is what I think is the best used. I don't know if these are bathing suits or jazzercise outfits. I don't know if they're the same thing, but this is a vintage Reebok spandex. Then you have just all sorts of these things. Just bathing suit, jazz or size, whatever you want to call them, which got like tons of them. That is like, how many we got here? There's like over 20 of them here. 20, let's get through that. Boom. Look at that. There's a whole bunch. That is money right there. That is gold on eBay. Then we have that one there. This one is a trip right here. It's a one-piece, like, nylon skin suit or something. I almost put this one on just to be a funny guy, but then I stopped. Then we got some brand new ones. Look, vintage. This was $14.99 back in the day. We have this one here as a top. We have some just brand new ones. I'm going to put brand new in lots and then used on lots on eBay and try to sell them in bulk. What do you guys think of that idea? It's hard to do individual on stuff like this. And this is why it pays to go through everything and trust your processes. Okay, so what I'm doing is I got a wardrobe here for junk. This is like straight dollar stuff with the flea market, towels, bags, things like that. And I pulled the towels out, and under there was this right here. Look at this. Terran Brothers Sporting Good. This is a very old patch. I do not know the value of this patch. It is definitely very old. Look at the size of it. Then you have this Groth Brothers. It's the same thing. This is an old patch. You look at the stitching, the work. This is a few bucks to me. I don't know what the heck this is, but look at the size of it. Then you have this one here. This is not probably very valuable. A couple bucks maybe, but it's vintage. Scott's Veres TFU. Then you have these right here. These are old. Look at the stitching on these right here. Kitty Hawk Engineer. We make the hawks go. And we got 2 of those. This is a few dollars for those right there. That's got to probably be 20 to 40 bucks right there for the both of them. That was a good little score underneath the lingerie or whatever you want to call that stuff. We're going to go through this one. It looks like there's cards in there of some sports effects. And then we'll go through this one and let you know if there's anything good in these. This is kind of cool right here. So I'm opening the lid up and I see this. You're about to look. But I'm going thoroughly through each thing that I got in this. You know, like I said, I don't know what is in every box because the guys finished up the last day without me. But even then, I still am very anal about what I'm looking at. You know, this is a vintage watch right here. That's kind of cool, actually. See the colors of it? Something you see like Will Smith wear. But I'm laying it out. Let's see what we got inside of here. I'm laying it out, and I'm finding stuff like this. I don't think... Let's see. Not often there's actual gold in one of these. Looks kind of like gold. Chevron. I think that is gold on the chevron piece. 1/20th gold filled. That's kind of tight, actually. Not bad. Let me finish going through that one thing. I just want to show you real quick the way that you have to be very thorough because you never know where something's going to be and you might overlook it. It wasn't a bad little box. I mean, I don't know what all these are worth. I remember collecting these when I was a kid. The Mother's Cookies cards, etc., etc. Always had, you find the Mark McGuire's, there was the Jose Canseco's, you got your Will Clark's, a lot of Nolan Ryan. This is pretty cool. This is that Will Smith looking Fresh Prince of Bel-Air style vintage watch. Overlooked if you don't pay attention is this little building, probably N scale or Ho scale. Nope, it's N scale. That's not bad. That's a $5, $10 bill easily. Then you come over here and we got more train parts. Look, we got Ho scale lamp posts. That was $6.99 whenever it was bought. It comes with little electrical wires and stuff to light up. This is for, I got to be careful how I'm saying this. Like this is for a Cox wheel pulley or something like that. Look at the words I'm saying. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these 2 words right here. It's like a setup for failure on YouTube, trying to call everything what it's supposed to be. Got these little guys. This is all little train parts that you can overlook if you don't pay attention in a unit like this. I sold a couple of these the other day in boxes, very similar to the plastic container, but I got like 40 and 35 for 2 things just like this on eBay. So these go aside from my eBay pile. Got this really cool aeronautical looking space style patch. I have a well-constructed one. Then there was a little piece of jewelry. No gold, but it does say gold filled. This could be gold, the piece, the little one right there. But I found these right here, too. I think I'm going to keep these. I'm going to dibs them, and I'm going to give it to the girls. They love their little dolls and stuff like that. And these are just really cute little paintings that I could see them enjoying on their, in their little things that girls do. And we got another tote. Let's see what's in here. All right, once again, we'll sort this all out, and then we'll show you at the end. Then I'll give you a quick tour after it's all laid out. Another box of clothes, gym clothes, jamboree stuff. Here we have everything new. All of this has tags on it. You can see tags, tags, tags. Let me show you tags. Where are the tags at? We got the Spider-Man piece here. Tags, see, you got the Ponties. Small. Tag here for running. It's all stuff that's good for the internet. Those are new. Then you come over here and we got the vintage stuff. We got pants. We got onesie suits here. We got the top all the way down to the bottom of the feet. Then you got just tons of bathing suits and jamboree tops and shorts. Just bathing suits, whatever you call these. Leotards, all things Richard Simmons. We have it. And we have yet another box of what it looks like clothes. We're going to spread this all out and I'll show you what it's like once it's taken out. All right, I hope we find something a little bit different here soon, just for the sheer necessity of wanting to spice it up a little bit. But nothing but vintage jazzercise stuff everywhere. That one's used. This is all used too. It's just spandex and bathing suits and leotards and everything you could think of. There's a whole pile of them there. Then we got some more one pieces here. If you remember, I found the Reebok one earlier. Here's the pants that match it, so that's kind of cool. Then you come over here and you got brand new leotards, you got leotards, you got leotards, you got gym outfits. I don't know what this is, but this is all brand new. This is probably a cute little set. You got a shorts, a onesie, and a top as well. You got this little piece here, brand new, Fredericks of Hollywood. You got brand new belts. That stuff is slowly adding up to become some money. I'm not sure yet. I have not had a chance to look up these pieces. They're different brands, Danisic or something, Danisk. There's just brands all over the map. I don't know what they are. I just know it's all vintage spandex, gymboree stuff, et cetera, but that's not, we're gonna do something with all of it at once. That's why I'm setting that all separate so I can go piece by piece, figure out how I wanna best approach that situation. Ooh, this one says Department 56. Let's see what's inside of there. Ladies and gentlemen, you open up the box and it's not just ornaments, what could be in there. There was some Department 56 in there. It looks like 2 pieces at least. North Pole series, which seems to be a little more collectible than normal, just basic Department 56. This is the house right here. And then this one here said it's in red paper, North Pole series, LC's Gingerbread. Not bad. 1998. This has got to be a few bucks here between the two of them. There's going to probably be at least a minimum of 40, upwards of 100 to 120 a piece on these, if I just guessed without looking up. Got some Christmas ornaments. They're going in a certain pile. We got Tomart's Price Guide to Hot Wheels by Michael Thomas Strauss. And then look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Who wants to see in this Hot Wheels Matchbox case? I don't want to say Hot Wheels, you think that, but they're actually Matchbox. But let's look inside. Whoo, come on. Yes. Look at that. Let's go through these thoroughly. Wow. This is going to be exciting because I don't know if you guys know, but this stuff is worth bucks right here. This is an old Honda. That's not super money there, but it's in great shape. That's a Leslie, England. Oh, wow. What do we got here? Help me out here if you don't know the car. Maybe they say. Matchbox Series number 41 Ford GT. That's probably a good one. You got to be careful. See how the tires coming off there? Hoo-hoo. We got a Leslie number 93 Lamborghini Mirar. We got a red line. I've sold this one. This is an inexpensive red line. This looks like a Hot Wheel as well. You can see the sheer difference. It's like looking at gold and silver to me between red lines and Matchbox. But this one here I think is a good one. Yes, a 1969 Mustang Boss Haas red line. I am unsure without looking it up, but I know that's double digits of sales on eBay right there. Almost, probably triple digits. This one intrigues me too. I like it. It's a little worn. You can see the roof. Oh, that's messed up. That's messed up. Look at this, Matchbox Ford Galaxy. Matchbox. Ooh, look at this one. It has extra bonus parts. Oh. Okay, Pirate. You're an idiot. You just dropped all of those. Put that in there now. Oh. I'm mad. I'm mad right now about that. A BP tow truck. This looks like a red line here. Yeah. 1960. It looks like an inexpensive one as well, though. This is the same exact car as that one, but different color. 1969. All right. Okay. Nice. Let's look in here. Look at that. There's a guy in there. All right, let's start here. We got more guys with pipes here. It's like the whole construction unit. Rubber bands holding them on. Ergomatic cab. We got, let's put these two away here. We got a tractor. We got a hovering ham. One of those. Boats look plasticky. That is plastic. Oh, but under the boat of plastic is a Leslie trailer. That's kind of cool. So, metal trailer, plastic boat. We got, why do we got big old wheels, extra wheels here? I don't know what those go to. We got another trailer. We got a dump truck. That's, ooh. A Lesney train, go figure. American Local 440. Models of yesteryear. Not probably as expensive, but look at that. This one seems like it's money to me. I don't think I've seen this one. This isn't a models of yesteryear. This is, yes, it is. Dang it. I don't think that's one's very valuable then. Okay, it's a Bentley. Race car, another race car. BP long life. What do we got here? A military. Yep. Another one of these. Models of yesteryear. That one looks neat. Snowplow. Bond. James Bond Jr. This is a classic right here. It's like just like a tuna boat. A Lincoln Continental. All right. What do you guys think? Well, real quick, what is your value total on this box of cards? I'll do some individual and some in lots. What do you think this is worth on eBay?